talk about the programming languages we've discussed and what makes each one of them unique. I'll keep it quick. I'll promise you. If you're wondering which ones is the best, there are a lot of stuff that we need to talk about. First off, Python. It's like a Swiss Army knife of programming. Simple syntax, beginner friendly, it's used everywhere. Web development, data science, AI, automations, you name it. The good news is it's one of those programming languages that it is still growing. And what is really cool about it is even many of these new libraries are using like effective programming languages like C++ behind the scene. So not only is Python is getting easier to use for doing complex tasks, but it's also becoming faster and more efficient. That's tough to compete with. Next, C Sharp. This one's a powerhouse of Windows applications and game developments, especially with Unity. It's got a strong object-oriented principles, making it a great tool for large scalable software. And while it works kind of okay across all platforms, it's especially good with Windows, and that's something we really need to consider. C++, this is a big league. It's all about performance. If you're diving into game engines, operating systems, or anything where speed matters, C++ is your go-to. It's powerful, but it requires careful handling. Think of it as a tool for high performance system that demands efficiency. We all know that. Then we have Scheme and Prolog. One functional and one logical programming language. These are mostly used for educational purposes these days because they teach you to think differently. And that's why they still taught in top universities worldwide. Their real world application is minimal today. Some companies, especially those working with government, still use them. But here's the thing, good programmer needs all type of weapons in their arsenal. Scheme and Prolog can handle tasks quickly and efficiently without requiring us to worry about memory management and efficiency. If you're working with the big data and need to get results fast, this can still be a great options for you. Plus, if you want to stand out in your workplace, learning logical and programming languages can differentiate you. Hear me out. If you can do it, you should know that not many people know how to use them. So when your team hits a roadblock, they will come back to you every time. Interesting. Java. We can't forget about Java. Has been around for many years, is still one of the most widely used programming languages, especially for backend system, Android development, enterprise solutions. It's known for its write once, run everywhere, and that's true. This philosophy is very true, which makes it a very solid choice for cross-platform applications. So, to just sum up all this stuff, which language is the best? It depends on the job that you're trying to take care of. Python is very versatile and growing rapidly. C# is preferred for polished Windows-based applications. C++ is unbeatable in performance. Scheme and Prolog teach us to think differently, solve problems super fast. And Java, it's just a go-to option for many companies because it's efficient and it's good and it's easy to use, kind of. But there's no one-size-fits-all solution. The key is to learn multiple programming languages, understand their strength, and use the right tool for the job. That's the goal for learning all these different programming languages. You want to have a tool always in your arsenal, so when you need it, you can use the best one.